Hello everybody, so today we're going to do a room tour actually, but because like I'm living with the other people, so we just like do the all of the things. So this is the kitchen, and there's like one room downstairs, and it's like for my flatmates. She lives there, and then I live in the second floor, and then there's like one person in the third floor. So there's like some space to put like all of this cleaning stuff for the kitchen, for the bedrooms, and we can take all of the cleaning stuff from there. So there's the one that I said, and that way is the way to the third floor, and this is the bathroom, and this is me. Hello. And then I have like a wardrobe, and it's like quite big for put all of the clothes there. So this is the bathroom. Look at that bed, like it's like humongous, you know. And I have the table for study and all of the things. And I also have a balcony that is so cool now. So this is it. Thank you for watching.